Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore electric dryer. Now it's the Ultra Fabric Care Heavy Duty 80 series. They really don't make dryers like this anymore. Of course, I've been through this one, 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it's all been checked. Everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale or before it leaves my care. This has been restored to like new condition, as close as I can possibly get it anyway. That's how I like to sell them. And this video is if you were standing here yourself testing it out. That's why I like to do these videos. Now I've got it running, if you can even hear it. It's nice and quiet on time dry, which is the highest heat setting. Open this up, you can see it's spinning nice and clean on the inside. It is an off-white color, but it runs perfectly. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So right in between our two red dots there, we'll get a surface temperature measurement. So you can see the difference between the top of the machine and the floor there. I'll go ahead and open this up. If I don't knock the phone out of my hand. We'll shoot that right inside the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. And then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you have your heat setting at. And this is lint trap right there. And that's pretty much it. You've actually got quite a few different settings here. You can do delicates. It's an extra capacity plus. You can pretty much dry anything in there. You can see it's a nice large capacity. It's nice, smooth, sounds great. Go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.